Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing yung mga subscribers natin. So now today we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the VPro V500 RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. Okay, this comes from Rapoo of VPro of Rapoo. Okay. If you're like me na hindi ka naman heavy-duty gamer, you probably haven't experienced a mechanical keyboard. I used one a long time ago na hindi ko alam na mechanical keyboard. Yung pala mechanical keyboard. The main difference between a mechanical keyboard and a normal keyboard that you use on a daily basis is maingay ito. Ganun yan pag ginagamit daw. Okay? Okay, this is supposed to be plug and play. And system requirements: Windows XP, Vista 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay, so gumagana siya. It just uses a USB port. Okay, so ito ay color niya black. Okay, and you can adjust the RGB backlight. Okay, metal cover, full keyboard suspension design, and this is good news mga guys and girls. This is spill resistant. So, para sa mga minamalas dyan, minsan di ba naglalaro, ay tumayo, umiinom habang ng juice or whatever habang lalaro, maganda to. So, sandali lang, labasin natin sa box. Okay. So, when you buy it, comes with this and your keyboard. Oh, maganda, diba? Mabigat siya. Also comes with the manual. I have no idea what this is for, but I assume is pangtanggal ng keyboard, ng keys. Okay? When you need to remove it, to clean it or anything or something. Okay? Conflict-free design for all keys, non-conflict design. Allows you to press any number of keys simultaneously, ensuring your command is registered. So, pwedeng sabay-sabay daw. Spill resistant, adjust RGB nga, sinabi ko na kanina. Full mechanical keys, metal cover, full keyboard suspension design. Okay? So, ayan po mga kaibigan. Ito yung guide. We'll open it. Okay. So, mukhang pinag-isipan yung pagpa-plastic kasi I remember buying keyboard na naka-plastic tapos buo yung cover ng plastic. So, nanihigat ito. Nagkat siya. Sabi natin hindi siya na maayos. So, yan. As far as I know, you can buy the Rapoo products in 3 major resellers. One is Silicon Valley, PC Express, and Complink. Okay. Available na po itong V500 RGB dun sa stores na yon. Okay, price-wise, tayo natin, naglo-load yung cellphone ko to check the price. Pansinin nyo, ayan o, it's raised. Okay. So, tingin nyo ito. Para kang nasa typewriter. For those old people like me, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. For you to be able to see, it's wala akong PC dito sa tabi ko ngayon. May takip pa yan siya, no? But I do have USB charging thingies here beside me. So we'll just plug it in there and see if it works. Ayaw niyang mag-on. Alam ko lang switch naman to. Okay. So, we'll pause the video. Into my Acer laptop. We'll turn off the light so that you see the backlight. nyo ba? It's right now set to blue. I have no idea how to change it yet. So don't ask me. I haven't read or installed any of the drivers. Okay. Pansinin nyo, di ba? Meron kaninang sinabi na may sinabi ako na no conflict yung keys, di ba? So, ang ibig sabihin nila doon, you can use it, you can press keys simultaneously, tapos lahat yun, papasok. Gets mo? Gets nyo? So, pag pinindot ko yung A sa B, sabay siyang papasok siya. So, I think that's very important when you're playing games, you know, na walang conflict talaga yung keys. Okay. So, kita nyo, ayun, yung may reflection. Okay. So, I'm opening Word now. So, para kita nyo. Bagal. Okay. So, how to do this? Okay, nila ko galaw yung camera, ha? Word. Okay. So, then you I push Y. Sabay. Y. Sabay na to. So it works. I don't think that works with a normal keyboard. So, ganda siya. It works. Here the click back. Okay. It's available nga, as I mentioned, Silicon Valley, Complink, and PC Express. The V500 RGB Alloy keyboard from Rapoo is only 3,195. So for gamers there, our friendly gamers out there, kung heavy gamer ka man or katulad ko na bakit lang, you might want to try out the Rapoo VPro V500. Watch out soon, we'll do a quick review also of this, so how to change the lights, and everything, and install the driver. It seems that it's plug and play. I just plugged it in, played, but I'm pretty sure you need the drivers to change the colors. Thanks guys!